Good morning everyone, my name is Ms. Ayat Rabaiah, I'm your math teacher. Today we will continue talking about 5.1 parallel lines. So today I'm going to give you the second part 2. Yesterday was the first part. Again, if you have a line, a straight line, and another line such that these two lines are parallel, it means they will never meet. If you have a third line, let's say that the third line is transversal, we call that transversal. Say this is transversal, it's a third line crossing these two lines. Now we formed angles, and these angles connected with each other by a relationship. We talked yesterday the meaning of corresponding angles. And the corresponding angles are equal. It's like F. If you have a letter F, it means this angle and this angle are equal, and these two angles are corresponding angles. If this angle A and this angle B, A and B are corresponding angles and they are equal. If this is 70, this must be 70 also. So this is the first kind. Now the second kind alternate angles. Alternate angles. Two angles are equal and these two angles located on the opposite side. Let's say this angle, let's take this angle, and if you take this angle, let's say this is angle A, this is angle B. A and B alternate angles. A on the right side, at the right of the transversal, and B at the left of the transversal. So here A and B alternate angles. Look, A and B, it's like Z. A and B, it's like Z. This is A with B. A with B. A at the right of the transversal, B at the left of the transversal. Now it's like Z, a letter Z. So to help you, it's like Z. This angle are congruent to this angle. Congruent means they are equal. And instead of using are equal, maybe we'll use congruent. So it's like Z. So this angle and this angle alternate angles and they are congruent or equal. So till now we took corresponding angles like F. A, let's take A with C. A with C corresponding angles. A with B alternate angles. Let's say this angle E, G. E with G alternate. E with G, it's like Z. E with G. Now the third kind, number 3. The third kind, we call it vertical angles. Vertical opposite. Let's say in general, if you have these two lines and this angle, let's say this angle G with F. G and F are vertical opposite. So we call here G and F vertical opposite. G and F are equal. Let's say here B with C. B with C, B, the angle B with the angle C. B and C are vertically opposite. G with the H. G with H vertically opposite. This angle with this angle. and this angle with this angle with this angle is opposite, and this angle with this angle. So we have three kinds. We have corresponding angles like letter F, alternate like Z, vertically opposite, it's like X. It's like X. So this angle are congruent to this angle. This angle are congruent to this angle. This angle are congruent to this angle. You have to know the meaning of these three kinds, and you have to connect between the angles and the relationship between these angles. Thank you so much.